Hello, it's Sarah from Sarah's blog and my daughter. We are here to unbox Sing2 memorabilia that was sent to me to share with you guys, to show you guys. If you guys watch Sing, it's a great movie, and now they have the second movie in theaters. So if you like it, go watch it. We have plans to go watch it. The first thing in the box is Koala headband from Buster. So you get to look like Buster. And then you get a plushie, and her name is Ash. Ash. She's super cute. And you get the gorilla, who is Johnny. Johnny. And then we got the Koala Buster. Then you get a hat. Well, we got a hat, and it's reversible. Super cool. And there's a shirt that looks like it would fit her. And then there's keychains. And there's 2 of them, but we don't know what it is. So let's open it.
Let's see.
Oh, it's Johnny.
Let's see who else we got. Let me unbox the other one.
The next one is, drumroll,
I don't know her name.
the elephant. Her name is Meena. Meena. M-E-E-N-A. Meena. Then there's a Tumbler, which I just call it a water bottle, thermos. And this is what it looks like. It's all purple. Has this little thing. Opens and closes really easily. And straw. Alright. Everything is awesome. Hope you guys go out and watch Sing2. Thanks for dropping by.